this video, we'll be showing you how to mark orders as dispatched. First, make sure you're logged in as an administrator. From the main navigation, head to Reports and then Orders. You can search for your order using the search field in the Manage menu on the right. When an order is placed, any products that can be delivered will be flagged as awaiting dispatch. These product types are product, winning auction item, wristband, collection, paper ticket or raffle ticket. To mark the order as dispatched, select Mark as Dispatched from the Order Management menu. A modal window will appear where you can then enter any additional information to the customer to notify them their order has now been dispatched. If you don't want to notify the customer, uncheck the Notify Customer box. Then click on the Mark as Dispatched button. This will mark all items that can be delivered to dispatched and the order status will change. If you have made a mistake, you can mark the order as not dispatched. To do this, click Mark as Not Dispatched from the Order Management menu and then click on the Mark as Not Dispatched button in the confirmation modal window. And that's it, you can now successfully mark orders as dispatched. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.